Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. Last day of the week. We get the weekend off. Woohoo! Who's excited? Mood meter check in. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling happy. I would say I'm the yellow smiley face or the ball. All right, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Are you ready? All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now, let's flip over to the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Let's go to the days of the week. First day of the week is Monday. Then Tuesday. The heart of the week, Wednesday. Then Thursday. And my favorite, which is today, Friday. Then Saturday. And then Sunday, which we have to prepare and go to sleep early because we have school once again on Monday. Today we are Friday, August 21st, 2020. The months of the year. We start off with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and my favorite, December. Which is your favorite? One important reminder, guys, to stay active. As you see, all those kids in this picture are either holding a baseball bat, a soccer ball, a basketball, a tennis racket, or a football helmet. It's entirely up to you what you do daily, but make sure you go outside for at least 30 minutes and have some fun, exercise, play around, play with your pet, play with your parents, your siblings. Have a good time. Make sure you get that little heart working. Today's agenda is IEP goals. We will begin those momentarily. This week's life skills lesson is brushing your teeth. Remember, we gotta brush our teeth every day, twice a day. Sometimes we forget, and maybe we won't brush it in the morning or at night, but we at least have to guarantee we brush it at least once. It is very important for your health. You gotta keep that pretty smile up. Teacher contact information. My information is jonathan.guzman@ideapublicschools.org. Ms. Jennifer Castañeda is jennifer.castañeda@ideapublicschools.org. Ms. Brianda Martinez is brianda.martinez@ideapublicschools.org. Ms. Ileana de la Garza is ileana.delagarza@ideapublicschools.org. Or you guys can contact us via Teams, Idea, Rise, Middle School, or High School. Or you guys can just shoot us a text message or a WhatsApp. All right, let's all have a great day filled with learning and fun.